Chafing on anchor lines is a major cause of failure. And you can see where I use chafe wraps to prevent this snubber line from chafing against the frame of my bow sprit. The boat came with chocks installed, but now that I've installed the bow sprit, you can see I've got just an angle out here. I can go inside like I did here and put chafe guard on it, but short notice, emergency, I want to be able to go right over that angle and not have to worry as much about chafing. So I bought some more chocks and I'm going to install them here so I can send a rope over that angle through a chock and have less chance of it chafing, and it won't run up and down the length of that angle and wear out. So let's get the drill and some screws and put these in and make this happen. Got plenty of 1/4 inch hardware on the boat, but not a lot of 3/16. And these are 3/16 holes. So I'm just going to drill them out and use 3/16 hardware. And on the bottom of the angle, of course, my favorite nylon lock nut stainless steel, all stainless steel hardware, so they don't come loose. Then I carefully mark the location of the holes with a Sharpie, and then use my spring-loaded punch. That one ain't working. Let me break out my backup. There it went. To make an indent in the aluminum. Let me grab my other one. This is why I got backups for tools. Put a nice indentation in the aluminum so the drill bit will stay centered and these holes will line up. Spring-loaded center punch. And drill the mounting hole. Give them a little weeble wobble, make it a little easier to get the bolts through. And there we have one side on. You can see it's a straight path to it. Let's do the other side. And we tightened everything up with the impact gun, so there we are. The rope chocks complete.